All right, guys. So today we're gonna demonstrate how a bullet, um, how it's gonna act as it passes through a door, in case you needed to take a self-defense shot from inside your vehicle. And most likely, that's gonna look like either this or this, and you may have to do it this way. Now, if you're horizontal or flat like this, keep in mind when you make the shot, you're most likely going to catch some brass and it's going to be hot when it ejects. Okay, so just be aware of those things. Also, when you take a shot from this position, if you're here, you guys that are running compensators, be aware that you can get a pretty nasty burn off of that. I mean, if you're in a self-defense situation, you may not care, but if that round were to shave some lead or part of that copper jacket or whatever and come up into your arm, it's going to be a pretty bad scenario. So anyway, but we're going to do it with a 45 ACP, and we're going to do it with a 9mm. So 9x19, and we're going to do it with a couple different rounds. But that's what we're going to show you guys today, and we're going to debunk a little bit of the 9mm versus 45, just so you guys can see how it reacts and what you like or don't like. All right, we'll get to it. Thanks, Tim. So to try and show the effects of some of this with our demonstration here, we've taken a 5-gallon bucket full of water, placed it on the other side of the door, so that as the brown comes through, we can see the penetration. So, and we've got a little GoPro set up to try and catch that. It won't be like extreme slow motion or anything, but so we're gonna shoot it. We're gonna use a 3-inch 45 and a 3-inch 9mm to try and make things fair and do a comparison. So we're gonna shoot it with a hollow point 45 and 9mm, and then we're gonna shoot it with a Fort Scott Munitions TUI round out of each. And so, like I said, we're gonna try to shoot it. We're gonna shoot it with both 3-inch barrels, and we're gonna try to keep it very comparable. Alright, let's go around and look at the exit. See what we got. No way. Wow, it did not come through. Unless I missed. No, couldn't have missed. It would have gone through the window. Well, look at that. The Hyundai Tiburon. The bullet did not penetrate. We'll look at it from the inside. That was hot too. Well, right there it is. You can see where it went in. It hit something hard, obviously. Did not come through the door. 9mm. Yeah. And you can smell all the powder. You can smell all the powder in there too.
Right there?
Yeah.
It didn't go through?
Yeah. Usually a 9mm punch through. Okay, Fort Scott Munitions, solid copper round. We're gonna use it. Okay, so we're gonna try offset just a hair. It didn't go through. The bucket didn't through. Didn't even put a dent in it. My goodness. About 2 2 or 3 inches. Now we'll try a 45. So, got one. This is a 45 ACB Hornady critical duty, just like we shot out of the 9mm. Wow. So the 45, I don't think it went through either, but it exploded the entire window. If you want to look in there, clear. Let's go see if it put a dent. Oh, it went a little lower. We got a piece of something. Got a little dent down there, but nothing has come through the door yet. One, this is a 45 ACP, Fort Scott munitions round. And I know this thing because it has no. Well, it blew more glass out. All right, clear. Okay guys, so the solid copper bullet, we did get a little ping there, and we took a little more glass out, and it's cold today guys. It's only 18 degrees. We're doing this on a day off. We thought this would be cool, that we'd get it to penetrate, show you penetration on the bucket, but they're not coming through. So probably what we will do, I'm gonna shoot it. I've got a 45 ball and a 9mm ball ammo. We're gonna try it with that first, and then I think we'll just do a mag dump on the door, see if anything goes through it at all. Let's see what happens.
I want the glasses on.
Let's see if we got a hole. All right, we didn't get a hole, but it's starting to knock the paint off of some of the original ones. That one didn't go through either. So nothing's coming through. So you probably, if you need to take a defensive shot out of a Tiburon, you might want to shoot through the glass, is what we're seeing. So we'll try. We'll just put a magazine of 9mm ball ammo through there. We'll see if we find some spots where it punches through. So. Come on around.
Yeah.
I'm really disappointed that nothing's gone through the door.
What?
I said nothing has gone through that door. It's disappointing. Okay. My hands are getting cold. Alright, so
Hold up.
I'm just gonna shoot. I got 10 or 11 in the magazine, I'm not sure right now. I'm just gonna fire all of them in that vicinity. And the reason I'm using that area is because that would be, if you made the shot at, you know, in front of you, that would be about where you'd be with your posture. So if we move around a lot, it's not going to be similar to what it would be if you actually were making the shot. So here we go. Absolutely. absolutely nothing has come through. We got a few dings and stuff, and I'll show you from the inside. I went ahead and I'll have to go around. So I went ahead and walked some of my shots up the door, and whatever's in that door as far as how it's reinforced is nothing's going through that door. So anyway, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna shoot it with one more plus P round, Hornady Critical Defense, and we're gonna shoot it with one more ball, 230 grain ball ammo. And this is all I brought with me. I'm out of bullets. So we'll shoot these, we'll see if they go. I don't think anything's gonna go at this point, the way it's acted. So nope, not one round went through. The bucket didn't twitch at all.
That's a pretty good dent.
Huh? Nothing. It just keeps pushing the steel out. There, it'll. All right, guys. So what we are seeing, the 45s, they're dimpling the door. The 9mm are not. You might get a little paint tinge there. These are all from the 45s. So the 45s are definitely carrying more energy, but they're not passing through. So all we've proven today is that if you have a Hyundai Tiburon, don't shoot through the door because it's not going to pass through. So
Hey, you could try and shoot through it from the metal side. We could shoot through the metal from the outside. What? Oh, you're out of bullets. Oh, my goodness. Let me open the door. Put a bucket back here. Pew, 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 pew. Bullet
it's
goes
totally
through.
not satisfying.
Go get more bullets.
Nah.
Pew, 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 pew.
We're at a Tercel and we shot it through the trunk hatch, and it went all the way through into the dash with 9mm, just with 115 grain ball ammo. So I don't know what kind of pillar is in that door. We're gonna have to pull that door frame off and look at the carnage.